Welcome back. Today we have CoraCrea's Dragon box, and I love that they're reusing boxes for shipping. So much better for the environment. So this is our spoiler sheet. I'm going to put that aside. Oh, and I love this paper. Such a shimmery gold. So pretty. And this is one of the treasure box line of their subscription boxes. They have some nice packing here. Keeps everything in line. CoraCrea crafts 36 pieces. So I've seen this on her website. Did not know it was going to be part of a box. Look at that. All those markers. And you know, these kind of markers are not cheap at all. And we have a fine point and the chisel point. Look at all these colors. Wow. Very, very nice. It will be fun to play with those. So I'm going to move those off to the side. And we've got 3 different tapes. Set these aside. We have tacky paste for glitter, flakes, and foil. Set that to the side. I'm going to grab these things out. Oh, we have some stencils down here at the very bottom. Let me grab those. Then I'm going to move this box to the side. And again, that's very sturdy, very good to store things in too. So this first one looks like dragon scales. And then we have 3 different dragons. And these are nice thick stencils. Let's see. Here, that's how this one goes. Then we have the sticker book dragons. I love her sticker books. Her stickers are amazing. So let me find a piece of white paper. And then we can look at each one of these stickers. They come on these clear sheets, so it's easier to see them if I put something underneath them. So if you are into dragons, this is definitely the box for you. And then we have all these things that you can use too. And it says, I think it says on here how many sheets? 10 pages. So beautiful. Then we have some papers. And these are slick. These are not a matte finish. These are very much a slick finish to them. Oh, and this one's very colorful. Beautiful. These are our dragon stickers. Very beautiful. Lots of different designs there. Very nice. Oh, wow. And we have deco foil collection. Oh, 3 deco foil collections. So this says transfer sheets for paper and fabric. They all say that. So let's take a look. And I'm sure that's probably what that paste is for. So you would use that paste, I believe, on your stencil. And then you would let it become tacky. And then put your foil over top. Rub it down. And when you pick up your foil, it will stay. Excuse me. The foiling will stay down on the tacky and come up where there isn't any. So, very holographic. These are all red, so I'm assuming the others are all those colors that are in those two. I don't want to take them all out. This is very lightweight foil for just such a purpose as with the paste, and I don't want to damage them. Okay, I'll work on that later. And then we have the Dragon Codex, Storm Sparrows Inn, and CoraCrea Crafts. So this is a collaboration between them, I believe. And this is a coloring book. So you can color your dragons with the markers and choose your own designs for them and then use them in, if you want, you can take them out of this book and use them on your journaling pages. Or you can color them in on here and use this as your journaling book. Beautiful for art journal. And here's a little verse on the dragons. Awesome. So let's take a look at our tapes now. Oh, this one's wrapped a little different than the others. It's a loose wrap. So I might not struggle quite so much to get this one off, but one can only hope, right? Oh my, this is a, I don't know what you would call it, but it's one of those tapes that is not straight on both sides. So one side goes up and down with this looks like fire. which you have to be really slow and careful because I've already ripped it. Okay, so back the parts I've kind of ripped, and it's got more of a texturing on the top parts here. Let me grab my swatch book. So this is one that you would definitely have to put down very carefully. Because it definitely is one that will tear on you. So very pretty. All right. And this one, I'm just having quite a time with washi tape tonight. Okay, I think I finally have it here. And this is dragon scales, I believe. And our next one here is a PET tape. And these are Kiss Cut, I believe. Let me double check here. Yeah, these are Kiss Cut stickers that you would put down in your journaling. Lots of very pretty designs. Let's see how long this loop is. Her loops are usually very long. Okay, and we start repeating right there. So, huge loop there. So I think that's it for this box. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I will see you next time. Happy journaling, everyone.